Here are 10 habits that can negatively impact productivity. 1. Procrastination. Delaying tasks or putting them off until the last minute can significantly hinder productivity and create unnecessary stress. 2. Multitasking. Constantly switching between tasks may give the illusion of being productive, but it often leads to decreased focus and efficiency. It's more effective to prioritize and focus on one task at a time. 3. Excessive use of technology. Spending excessive time on social media, browsing the internet, or constantly checking emails can be major productivity killers. Set boundaries and limit distractions from technology. 4. Poor planning and organization. Failing to plan and organize tasks effectively can result in wasted time and increased stress. Develop a system for prioritizing, setting goals, and organizing your workflow. 5. Lack of delegation. Trying to do everything yourself can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Learn to delegate tasks to others when appropriate, freeing up time for more important responsibilities. 6. Protracted meetings. Meetings that lack structure, go off topic, or extend longer than necessary can eat up valuable time. Set clear agendas, establish time limits, and ensure meetings stay focused and productive. 7. Perfectionism. Striving for perfection in every task can be counterproductive and time-consuming. Aim for excellence but recognize when a task is good enough and move on to the next. 8. Lack of breaks and self-care. Failing to take regular breaks and neglecting self-care can lead to fatigue and decreased productivity. Taking short breaks to rest, refresh, and recharge can actually enhance overall productivity. 9. Poor sleep habits. Inadequate sleep or inconsistent sleep patterns can significantly impair cognitive function, attention, and productivity. Prioritize quality sleep and establish a consistent sleep routine. 10. Constantly saying yes. Overcommitting yourself by saying yes to every request or task can lead to overwhelm and spreading yourself too thin. Learn to say no when necessary and prioritize your responsibilities. Recognizing these habits and working towards minimizing or eliminating them can significantly improve productivity levels. It's important to cultivate positive habits and create an environment conducive to focused work and efficient task completion.